You're eating what?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. That's ampalaya. Is it okay? Okay. How about you, Kuya? Eat the ampalaya and the tortang talong. Yum? It's healthy, right? It's bitter but
Healthy.
healthy. How about you, Princess?
I just
Very
can't
good.
handle the bitterness, but I should eat it.
Yeah. But the tortang talong is good. You like it?
I'm not doing reaction.
Sige na, eat na. Eat na.
I want water.
Okay. How about the tortang talong? Can you taste the tortang talong? Show them that you're eating the eggplant, the tortang talong. Just like Kuya ba? Good job. Yum? Show them. So that Daddy can see that you're eating that eggplant, the ampalaya. Who planted that one?
Daddy.
Daddy. Eat the tortang talong, Princess. You want to put ketchup? Be, show me, Be. You're eating the tortang talong, Be. Princess. Princess. Rai. Eat. Come on. Not like that. Eat na. Please. I put ketchup, Kuya. Kuya, put ketchup. Careful, ha. Yum. Our food for dinner. Careful, Princess. Kuya, can you help Riley? Okay. Riley can manage. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay.
It's spilling.
Yeah, it's okay. Put it in the middle. Give me that one. Okay, eat na.
I'm mixing it
Yeah.
still.
Good job. You're eating ampalaya and
Ketchup.
tortang talong. Very good.